When it comes to innovation, luxury, and performance, few names carry the same weight as Mercedes-Benz. For decades, the brand has been at the forefront of automotive excellence, constantly redefining what a modern car should be. But in 2026, Mercedes isn't just updating its lineup, it's making a bold statement. This year marks one of the most ambitious launches in the company's history, as Mercedes unveils 5 all-new vehicles designed to challenge the entire automotive market. These cars are not just about luxury anymore. They represent the future of mobility, combining cutting-edge technology, electrification, performance, and design in ways that push competitors to their limits. From fully electric sedans to next-generation SUVs and performance-driven machines, this new lineup is built to dominate every segment. And as the global shift toward electric vehicles accelerates, Mercedes is positioning itself as a leader in this new era. Let's dive into what makes these 5 cars so important and why they're creating so much buzz around the world. The first major highlight is Mercedes' continued expansion into the electric vehicle space. The brand has been investing heavily in its EQ lineup, and in 2026, that investment is paying off. New electric models are designed with improved battery technology, offering longer range, faster charging, and better efficiency. These vehicles are not just environmentally friendly, they're built to outperform traditional combustion engines in many ways. One of the standout models in this lineup is expected to be a next-generation luxury electric sedan. Built to rival competitors in both performance and comfort, it features a sleek aerodynamic design, a spacious interior, and advanced digital systems that redefine the driving experience. Inside, the focus is on creating a seamless connection between driver and machine. Large digital displays stretch across the dashboard, offering everything from navigation to entertainment in a visually stunning format. Voice control systems powered by artificial intelligence allow drivers to interact with their vehicles in a natural and intuitive way. But Mercedes doesn't stop at comfort. It pushes performance to new levels as well. Electric motors deliver instant torque, allowing for rapid acceleration that rivals high-performance sports cars. At the same time, advanced suspension systems ensure a smooth and controlled ride, even at high speeds. This balance between power and comfort is what sets Mercedes apart. The second major vehicle in this launch is a luxury SUV designed for modern families and adventurers. SUVs have become one of the most popular vehicle types worldwide, and Mercedes understands the importance of staying ahead in this segment. The new model combines bold design with practical features, offering plenty of space, advanced safety systems, and impressive off-road capabilities. It's built to handle everything, from daily commutes to long road trips and even challenging terrains. The interior reflects Mercedes' commitment to luxury. Premium materials, customizable ambient lighting, and state-of-the-art infotainment systems create an environment that feels more like a high-end lounge than a traditional car. Safety is also a top priority. The SUV is equipped with the latest driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automated emergency braking. These features not only enhance safety, but also reduce driver fatigue, making long journeys more comfortable. The third vehicle in the lineup targets performance enthusiasts. This is where Mercedes brings its racing heritage into play, likely through its performance division, Mercedes-AMG. Known for producing some of the most powerful road cars in the world, AMG takes things to the next level with this new release. Expect aggressive styling, enhanced aerodynamics, and a powertrain designed for speed and precision. Whether it's a high-performance electric model or a hybrid system combining electric motors with a combustion engine, this vehicle is built to deliver thrilling driving experiences. Acceleration is lightning fast, handling is razor-sharp, and every detail is engineered for performance. But even here, luxury is not sacrificed. The cabin remains refined and comfortable, ensuring that drivers can enjoy both speed and sophistication in one package. The fourth vehicle represents the future of urban mobility. As cities become more crowded and environmental concerns grow, compact and efficient vehicles are becoming increasingly important. Mercedes addresses this need with a new model designed specifically for urban environments. This car is smaller, more agile, and easier to maneuver in tight spaces. It's perfect for city driving, offering excellent efficiency and low emissions. Despite its compact size, it still delivers the premium experience Mercedes is known for. Smart connectivity features allow drivers to integrate their smartphones seamlessly, access real-time traffic updates, and even control certain functions remotely. This vehicle proves that luxury doesn't have to come in a large package. Finally, the fifth vehicle in this lineup is perhaps the most futuristic of all. This model showcases Mercedes' vision for the future, incorporating advanced technologies that were once considered science fiction. From semi-autonomous driving capabilities to advanced AI systems, this car represents the next step in automotive evolution. The design is bold and innovative, with features that enhance both performance and efficiency. Inside, the focus is on creating a personalized experience. The car can adapt to the driver's preferences, adjusting seating positions, climate settings, and even driving modes automatically. It's not just a vehicle, it's a smart companion. And as autonomous technology continues to develop, vehicles like this will play a key role in shaping how we travel. So what does all of this mean for the automotive industry? It means competition. With these 5 new vehicles, Mercedes is sending a clear message to its rivals. The future is here, and it's more advanced than ever. Brands around the world are racing to develop new technologies, improve efficiency, and meet the demands of modern drivers. But Mercedes' latest lineup shows that it's not just keeping up, it's leading the way. This launch also reflects a broader trend in the industry. The shift toward electrification is no longer optional. It's essential. Governments are introducing stricter regulations, consumers are becoming more environmentally conscious, and technology is advancing rapidly. In this environment, companies must innovate or risk falling behind. Mercedes understands this, and its 2026 lineup is a direct response to these challenges. But beyond the technology and performance, there's something else that makes these vehicles special: emotion. Cars are not just machines, they are experiences. They represent freedom, status, and personal expression. And Mercedes has always excelled at creating vehicles that connect with people on an emotional level. Whether it's the thrill of acceleration, the comfort of a luxurious interior, or the confidence of advanced safety features, these cars are designed to make drivers feel something. That's what sets them apart. As we look ahead, it's clear that the automotive industry is entering a new era. Electric vehicles, smart technology, and sustainable design are becoming the new standard. And with its latest lineup, Mercedes-Benz is not just adapting to this change, it's shaping it. These 5 new cars are more than just additions to the lineup. They are a statement of intent, a declaration that the future of driving will be defined by innovation, luxury, and performance, and that Mercedes intends to be at the center of it all. So whether you're a car enthusiast, a technology lover, or simply someone who appreciates great design, there's no denying the impact of this launch. Because when a brand like Mercedes-Benz makes a move like this, the entire world pays attention. And in 2026, all eyes are on Mercedes. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to Meer Motor Hub for more amazing automotive content. Hit the like button and share this video with your friends. Let us know in the comments, which of these new Mercedes cars is your favorite? Stay tuned for more latest car launches and future technology updates. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video on Meer Motor Hub.